Every time we go geocaching, we embark on an adventure, but today's mission is literally out of this world. These friendly outer space folk were visiting Mars and discovered a geocaching trackable code on the Mars rover. Well, they got curious, came to Earth to check out what is this geocaching thing.
We arrived on Earth and we have been enjoying finding all of your geocaches. But we need to get home, and now we need positive energy from geocache finds to fuel our spaceship and get home.
Hey adventurers, it is International Geocaching Day and we are out to earn a souvenir, and we're going to see how much fuel we can put in that outer space folks' spaceship and get them the heck off this planet. So let's see how our fuel gauge goes on this adventure. We got a goal, let's see if we can hit it. With our first find found, that nets us our International Geocaching Day souvenir. And each geocache we find gives us a little more energy to help our new friends get home. Let's see if we can do it. Product placement. Awesome. So we are on Witches Brook Road outside of Logan Lake, British Columbia, and we're on a cache series called the Witch Hunt. We have, as you've seen, earned our International Geocaching Day souvenir, and now it's about seeing if we can hit our goal for fueling up that spaceship. This is how it kind of generally goes. Good job. It's over there. Not over there. That's where I was. That's where the cache is. Well, adventurers, that completes the Witch Hunt series. We're going to move on to another series of caches here. We need more fuel. Let's check the fuel gauge right here. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, yeah, we got some more fuel we need here. Let's keep caching. And yes, we're going up that right there. Well, we got the Wolverine up to the top of this mountain. And we're gonna go find the cache, one straggler that's a couple kilometers off the trail of all the other ones. But this one, it's worth coming up for in the Jeep because it's got a heck of a view. Well, adventurers, we've been working hard to fill up the fun fuel for those outer space folks. So we've seen how the gauge has been going up, but are we going to actually make it to the goal for today, for that needed amount to do our part to help the world fill up the fun fuel for the outer space folks? Let's see how we do. be right here. Well, adventurers, it is getting late. It's after 5:30. The sun is starting to head towards golden hour. And we have, well, I don't know. Let's check that fuel gauge. See how we're doing. Oh boy, we're so close. All right, well, we're gonna see if we can just score a few more points of fuel there, of happy fuel for those outer space folks. See if we can do our part to get them home.
Sized LANMonkey.
It's a puzzle. Okay. So we have a series of clues in the description to guess which of these animals is the answer to the combination lock. And my guess was right! Ta-da! Ta-da! There we go! Awesome. What a great geocache. Now this is how you wrap up a day of geocaching, with some quality caches. Well, adventurers, it seems geocaching isn't just about finding containers, it's about the positive energy you create along the way. So get out there, explore, cache safely, cache often, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one who finally fuels up the outer space folks and helps them get home. If you've enjoyed this adventure, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing this video, and hey, maybe even go on your own geocaching adventure. And a huge thank you to our patron family for their support.